This one's called Say You Won't Let Go. I met you in the dark, you lit me up, you made me feel as though I was enough. We danced the night away, we drank too much. I held your hair back when you were throwing up, and then you smiled over your shoulder. For a minute I was stone cold sober. And then you asked for me to stay over. I said I already told you, I think that you should get some rest. Sing! But I knew I loved you there, but you never know, 'cause I played it cool when I knew I needed you, but I never saw. But I wanna stay with you to regret. Everybody sing! It's over. And I'll wake you up with some breakfast in bed. I'll bring you coffee with, and I'll take the kids to school and wave them goodbye. And I'll thank my lucky stars for that night when you looked over your shoulder. For a minute I forget that I'm older. I wanna dance with you right now. Shit! And you look as beautiful as ever, and I swear that every day you get better. You make me feel this way somehow. Hey. But I was so in love with you, I hope you know, darling, your love is more than. We've grown so far, my dear, look how we've grown. I wanna stay with you to a grand old. Everybody sing! You are just. I wanna live with you, even when we're ghosts, 'cause you are always there for me when I needed you most. I'm gonna love you till my lungs give out. I promise you that we are like in our lives. So I wrote this song for you. Now everybody knows that it's just you and me to regret. Everybody sing. Say you won't let. Say you won't let go. Say you won't let. Say you won't, now say you won't let go. Say you won't, now say you won't let go. Say you won't let go. Say you won't let go. Just say you won't. Say you won't let. Say you won't let. Say you won't. Say you won't. Say you won't let go. Say you won't. This one's called Say You Won't Let Go.